This is CP from the DMV Sports Zone Show. I have a question for Sang. You're from Cameroon, and most of the time African teams, they have a problem. The soccer players who play in Europe earn a lot of money. Mainly before big tournaments, they always complain about money. When you know that your federations don't really have enough resources, why don't you guys just play for your country, not asking too much money? That's the problem with African teams.
I think everyone was able to play, they dream to play national team. Nobody just go to national to prepare for money, but you have something to do when you go to national team, you play with heart, and sometimes they need to give you something they're supposed to give you. We don't ask more, we ask just something. When we get that money, we don't use it, we just help the people. I don't know what you're talking about, but it's just anywhere in the world when you go to play, you must have something, and when you get it, we just give it back for some people that need it. But when you go play, we're not going to play to ask anything.
Jacek